What are the requirements for obtaining a medical license in Canada with an Indian MBBS degree?
Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to talk about the process of obtaining a medical license in Canada with an Indian MBBS degree. This is a complex process that involves several stages and can be challenging to understand. In this video, we're going to break it down step by step to make it easier for you. Remember, every journey starts with a single step. Let's begin.
Understanding the basics.
The first step in obtaining a medical license in Canada as an Indian MBBS graduate is understanding the basic requirements. It's important to note that all international medical graduates, IMGs, including Indian MBBS degree holders, must meet specific criteria set by the Medical Council of Canada, MCC, and relevant provincial licensing authorities.
Evaluating your medical degree.
The first significant step in the process is getting your degree assessed by the Medical Council of Canada. The MCC assesses the equivalency of your MBBS degree to Canadian medical education through an examination called the Medical Council of Canada Evaluating Examination, MCCEE. This examination is an essential part of the process and is designed to assess basic medical knowledge and readiness for postgraduate training in Canada.
The Medical Council of Canada qualifying examinations.
After the MCCEE, you'll need to take the Medical Council of Canada Qualifying Examinations, MCCQE. This examination is divided into two parts, MCCQE Part 1 and MCCQE Part 2. Part 1 tests your medical knowledge and clinical decision-making ability, while Part 2 assesses your clinical skills.
Postgraduate clinical training.
In addition to the examinations, you'll also need to complete postgraduate clinical training in Canada. This requirement is usually met through a residency program, which is a form of medical training that follows graduation from medical school.
Licensure by provincial or territorial authorities.
Finally, after fulfilling the MCC's requirements, you'll need to obtain licensure from a provincial or territorial authority. Each province and territory in Canada has its own medical regulatory authority, and the specific requirements for licensure can vary. Obtaining a medical license in Canada with an Indian MBBS degree is a challenging journey that requires a lot of dedication and hard work. It involves rigorous examinations, postgraduate clinical training, and obtaining licensure from a provincial or territorial authority. But remember, every step brings you closer to your goal. Stay focused, stay prepared, and you will surely get there. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it helpful. Good luck on your journey.